Hi everyone, this is Sam Harris, Master Craftsman from STH Custom Trim. I want to do a video today to show you how I hang a door. Uh, this is a technique I learned from a 35-year master carpenter. Uh, we're going to start today by hanging doors, and uh, usually doors and cabinetry will be first. Uh, you're going to take care of all that stuff, get them in place before you start casing and basing. So today, uh, we're going to start with the first step of hanging a door. You want to first cut down your drywall. Your drywall, when a drywaller finishes a house, will most always be protruding past your trimmer. Your trimmer is the 2x4 that you will visibly see on your door openings. Okay? So we need to first, before we hang the door, cut all that mess back. So get it out of the way. We're going to start right now. When we hang a door, we must first finish the opening. We'll accomplish this by using a drywall saw. This is a simple hand saw and can be purchased at any big box store in the drywall section. This particular brand is Wallboard brand. I would highly recommend you complete this step before attempting to set a door. You do not want the drywall to protrude past your trimmer. You can see here the part of the saw that does all the cutting. It's the back third quarter of the saw. These saws are not very sharp, but it is important to guard your fingers and be careful. You'll see me use two hands here. That is how you would accomplish using the saw in a tight space. It's important to use a decent amount of force when you're cutting because you need enough force where the blade won't hang up on the drywall. This step is incredibly important. It'll save you a lot of time during the door installation. And also it'll eliminate frustrations and get things done quickly. It's not usually necessary to cut down the head, just the sides. There's usually an inch or more gap on top of each door. Ideally, you want to have a beveled edge on the drywall to ensure that the drywall will not sit proud of the trimmer. I won't be today, but I use a multi-tool to finish the openings the drywall saw won't fit on. I only use that when the work area is too small and the flooring is already installed. This step will scratch your subfloor if you go down all the way, but that's okay. Anytime the door's shim points are resting on the drywall, you'll have problems with the door eventually. The area that the drywall meets the trimmer and it has to be smooth. Drywall is soft, and it will not allow your shim to sit flush against the trimmer. These openings were trimmed up pretty well by the drywallers. However, this will not be the case in most instances. You'll notice that I hold the saw with both hands, grabbing the top end of the saw. This will help you when your dominant hand is on the side with no room to work, like up against this wall. Protect your fingers and be safe. Practice makes perfect here. Take your time and be careful.